By default, uploaded documents are processed automatically. However, FASSTA Connect can be set to require approval for documents prior to exporting. To enable this feature, go to Documents in the sidebar and click Approval Settings. Turning on Require Document Approval will change the default to Request Approval for all future uploaded documents. To further customize these settings, the contact list allows administrators to turn off document approval for specific customers and suppliers. If set to require approval, extracted documents will display on the document screen with the Needs Approval status. View your extracted documents by clicking the document icon on the right of each line. Clicking Approve Document will forward the data to your connected modules. You also have the option to reject a document, which will prevent the document from auto-sending and flag it for review. If your business has multiple users, permission to approve documents can be controlled through user settings. Under More Options, click Change Permissions, ensuring Managed/Approved Documents is turned on. With this setting enabled, that user will be permitted to approve and reject all documents by default. To fine-tune your user permissions further, FASSTA Connect also allows you to allocate which users can approve documents for each customer or supplier. To do this, open Approval Settings and turn on Allocate Users to Contacts. In the contact list, under the Users column, there is now a button to specify user approval permissions for each contact. With these customizable approval settings, administrators have the option to delegate responsibilities to other users, while maintaining full control over the data exported from FASSTA Connect.